how to ace the interview, aka kuamaliza. So, acing an interview, I want you to think about it in 3 steps. What to do before the interview, what to do during the interview, and what to do after. So, before the interview, number 1, do your research. Do your research. You'll be surprised by how many of us at when mepata interview. Then you just rock up. How now? And they're like, how many other people looking for the same job? Do your research, check out the company, try to see what's out there about them, at least get to know enyewe. Let me tell you guys, you don't know how many interviews I've done, and I'm asking them, what job are you interviewing for? Then they look at me blankly. You don't even know the job you're coming to interview for, and then you expect to get the job? Nothing. So do your research, get your information together, right? Of course, practice. For those of us who are not comfortable speaking, don't be ashamed. Imagine standing in front of a mirror and try and read yourself. So basically, the idea here is do whatever you need to do before the interview to prep. Don't just waltz in expecting the interview to be smooth. During the interview, please guys, by the way, on a light note, I've done interviews. So okay, interview now, how are we helping each other? By the young guys, seriously, I'm speaking truth here. I've seen these things happen. They sound obvious, but people make a lot of mistakes, maybe because they're nervous. So the thing is, think of it as the opportunity of a lifetime. There's no way you're going to just show up rough like that. Show up at your best, and that means dress well, pick the best suit, not the second best, the best. Make sure you're well groomed, a shower, even how you wake up, everything will determine your success in the interview. Then, when you get in, smile. Watch out for your body language, body posture. Guys who are sitting like this, you look like, I feel nothing for this job. Sit up confidently, speak out loud, don't be shy, don't keep looking down, make eye contact. So there's a lot of information, but I'm just giving you those highlights, those things that I know if you do them, they'll already get you a step ahead. So during it, answer questions confidently, don't be shy. And imagine if you're not sure of something, say, please clarify. So look like you're together, you're ready, you're comfortable, and you're just trying to handle it. Something that works as well, if you're very nervous, this is a free tip I've seen, say it. I've been to a session where even a pitch where I'm so nervous, and when you say it, it's like people are people. You know what I learn, they'll know anyway these interviews are stressful. Say, hey, you know what, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'll do my best. It just breaks that ice of even you feeling like guys are looking at you like you're nervous. Sawa, after the interview has ended, you've left, you feel like you did a good job, please do not hound the person. Your job, Nyaje, your job. No, chill, relax. You've done the interview, you've done your part, wait for them to reach out to you. What you can do if you have a chance is send a thank you note. Just and very simple. Hi, thank you for the opportunity to do the interview today, and I look forward to the next steps. Full stop. See your story of please, Akiwoye, the job should be mine. No. So, and then just wait. And then the other thing is don't stop looking. Hey, I know guys who in the interview moja, you're waiting to hear back, and as far as you're concerned, you don't need to keep looking for a job. No. Until the day you have an offer letter, always keep looking, always keep seeking for opportunities. And then when you have the offer, that's when you can say, okay, something has come up. Sawa, that's it. So, of course, what I've shared is a summary. Let me tell you guys, there's a lot of information, a lot you can learn that can actually make this whole story of looking for a job, doing interviews much easier. Total career makeover. It's what we have, we've put it together. It will just sort you out on all those things. And also check out the other videos we have and subscribe.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.